back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and hi to all my new subbies. Hey y'all, how is everybody doing? If y'all see me in this little t-shirt dress in multiple videos, it's because y'all, I'm on my third video, okay? You know, recording in one sitting with me. I have to get it while the getting is good, okay? So if y'all keep seeing this, it's just because I was doing mass recording in this little t-shirt dress. But anywho, that's neither here nor there. I'm coming to you guys with a little announcement. So I have decided that I am participating in VEDA. That is Vlog Every Day in August, you guys. I'm really going to try to do this. Okay, so let me talk to y'all for a second. So as of now, I've been doing YouTube for about 8 to 9 months, and I have tried to do a couple of the vlog every day, you know, thingies. So for example, I tried to do Vlogmas, got to day 12 and was over it. Didn't like I couldn't do anymore. Tried to do VEDA in April, got to day 12 and was over it. So I'm really trying to do VEDA for August, y'all. I know I can do it. I just have to push, record, and get the videos up. So I'm gonna do it. If y'all think I can do it, leave me a comment down below. I'm pretty sure I can do it. I'm really gonna push myself. I'm gonna get past day 12, okay? And that's that on that. I'm gonna get past day 12. I don't know what it is about that number 12, why I keep stopping, but I'm gonna get past day 12. But with that being said, you guys, I need video ideas. I need content ideas. So y'all please comment down below and just tell me what you wanna see. Like, give me, you know, if there's a certain tag you want me to do, if you want me to do a Q&A, if you want me to do, you know, cooking something or cleaning something in particular, a certain type of vlog, mukbang, whatever you want to see, leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna get these all on the list, and I'm gonna get them organized, and I'm gonna get them knocked out, okay? So you guys, help me accomplish my goal of getting through VEDA 2021. So please leave me some comments down below of some videos that you guys would like to see. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave me a comment down below. Now, until the next time, bye.